Must drink. 6 Best Herbal Teas Home Remedies for Kidney Repair. Hi, everyone who loves health. Welcome to our channel, where we put your health first. We have something special in store for your kidneys today. The kidneys are vital organs in the body because they filter excess fluid and waste. When they're not performing at their best, though, what happens? We can help with that by using nature's own solution. Toxins, fluid retention, and inflammation are common causes of kidney problems. Luckily, nature has provided us with several herbal teas that are anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and detoxifying in order to help with these problems. Have you ever wondered which herbal teas are best for your kidneys? As we reveal the top 6 drinks you should be consuming every day. Stay tuned. These 6 herbal teas were carefully chosen by us due to their shown benefits for renal health. Every tea has a special way of nourishing your kidneys, from the calming effects of chamomile to the soothing properties of ginger tea. That's not all, though. We'll explore these teas in more detail, including how they function and the best methods for brewing them to extract their full potential. We'll also throw in some extra advice just for you. Before we get started, remember to press the bell, subscribe, and like our content for more stuff that transforms people's health. Let's now go off on this tasty road toward kidney wellness. Are you prepared to find your next best tea? Number 6 is ginger tea. So let's get started. This vibrant, tasty drink is a powerhouse of antioxidants that improve health in addition to being a taste sensation. Studies involving individuals with kidney disease have demonstrated the potential benefits of ginger in improving renal function. One of the main ingredients in ginger, gingerol, is well known for its powerful therapeutic properties. It is particularly effective in reducing inflammation, which is an important effect that is sometimes overlooked in long-term illnesses like kidney disease. Ginger tea has been demonstrated to help prevent stomach ulcers, ease digestive problems, and provide relief for menstruation pain in addition to its benefits for kidney health. Simmer fresh ginger in water for 5 to 10 minutes after slicing it thinly to make ginger tea. Pour the tea through a strainer and add a slice of lemon or orange to taste more acidic or stevia for sweetness. Let's move on to the 5th item, nettle leaf tea. Known as the mother of all tonics, this herb is prized for its necessary minerals and exceptional cleansing qualities. The herb stinging nettle, which has diuretic qualities that aid the kidneys in eliminating extra fluid and toxins, is the source of nettle leaf tea. 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves should be added to 1 cup of water, and the tea should steep for 5 minutes. Green tea comes in at number 4 on our list. Green tea stands out due to its numerous health benefits, even though it is frequently mistaken for just another ordinary tea. It's linked to reduced risks of heart disease and cancer, attributed to the polyphenol it contains. Green tea's strong catechin content, kept after little processing, fights cell damage and relaxes blood vessels, benefiting kidney health. Use premium loose leaf tea, cover the leaves with non-boiling water for 10 seconds, then discard, steep in hot water for 1 or 2 minutes to make the best green tea. With less caffeine than coffee, green tea is also an excellent substitute. Let's now explore our top 3 selections. Horsetail tea, a prized herbal therapy for treating renal problems since ancient times, comes in at number 3. Horsetail tea, sometimes referred to as mystery grass, has antioxidant and mild diuretic qualities that help the kidneys. 1 teaspoon of horsetail should be steeped in boiling water for at least 15 minutes to make horsetail tea. The second best herbal tea is dandelion tea, which is a much underappreciated treasure. The inherent diuretic qualities of dandelion tea aid in controlling fluid retention, which is essential for preserving kidney function. Also, it is a rich source of antioxidants, which lessen oxidative stress that is bad for the kidneys. 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried leaves or root should be steeped in boiling water for 10 minutes in order to make dandelion tea. Let us now provide our number 1 pick, chamomile tea. In addition to helping you get a good night's sleep, chamomile tea is a great way to improve kidney health because it helps with digestion, reduces blood pressure, and eases stress. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers, steep them in boiling water for 10 minutes, and then add honey or lemon to taste flavor. Recall that although herbal teas are beneficial to health, leading a generally healthy lifestyle is necessary for overall well-being. I appreciate you coming along on our tour through the world of health-promoting teas. Stay tuned for more information about health. Until the next video, see ya.